It feels like progress. The team is growing, work is increasing, and clients are coming in. But something still is not right. Something still feels tight. You might be seeing hiring ahead of stable demand. Team utilization is inconsistent. Delivery timelines are slipping. Margin pressure is increasing. And the founder is still filling the gaps. Where this actually lives is in capacity. And this is where delivery fulfills the promise. So what's actually happening is capacity is scaling ahead of signal stability. Capacity is scaling ahead of signal stability. Work arrives unevenly. Resources are fixed. And utilization breaks. You create structural imbalance. So what gets blamed for this? We need more clients. We need better people. We need better processes. And we need to push sales harder. But what actually happens is when we do those things is that payroll increases before stability. Margin compresses. Delivery strain increases. And founder oversight increases. And the runway shortens. What clarity changes when we're able to identify and fix these constraints is capacity is aligned to demand stability. Hiring follows signal, not anticipation. Utilization becomes visible. And delivery stabilizes.